ride and the boys gotta catch me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Layla Fashion. Milo and I are so happy to have you here today. What we're going to be doing is doing a bit of an unboxing for these Sambururu. I can't roll my R's. Sambururu. Cecilia de Rafael pantyhose. I already have them on, but yeah, I'd like to talk about them. And then I'm going to add dimension to this outfit because we're all about shifting stuff up these days in this house, with some lace knee-high stockings. And yeah, I think it'll be nice to pair with this outfit. So these are 50 den. They're a little bit high den for like the aesthetic of this outfit. But let's talk about what the package says at least. So they are matte tights, 50 den, opaque, sheer to waist, and microfiber. It has a cotton gusset, which it does. She be there. There is, like, I would call it the slightest reinforced toe or a shadow toe. They are a little bit big for me, I think. Yeah, they're size medium. They are color natural, new chacal, 50 den. They are made in Italy. Oh, I want to go to Italy so bad. I want to go. Someone pay for my flight to go to Italy. Anyway, they feel great on the leg. I love it. They are, like I said, a bit of a higher den than what I would probably wear with this outfit, which I will show you. Beautiful, beautiful, like netted, beaded sort of shirt. It's beautiful. The whole back is exposed. I'm wearing a white skirt with it. That's quite short and sheer. The thing is like the one positive of the density for these pantyhose is this white skirt is quite sheer. So it takes away, you see in the booty. But yeah, I think the tone goes well. The pantyhose are super comfortable. I do find the band a little bit like rolly. But other than that, it's good. We are going to pair them. My shoe fell down. Womp womp. We're going to pair them with white shoes without the stockings. Give this look a try. I'm just in a very like white shoe era, and that's okay. Yeah, this outfit is cute. I wore this shirt on a date recently. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have anything else to say other than that. I love this look. Pantyhose are comfortable. I would totally wear them all the time. We love CDRs. And now we're going to try just to add the layer on top, see what it looks like. Milo's pretty tired today. He's had a big day. It's only the morning, but he's had a big day. You know? Sometimes it's tough being a dog. Ooh, this is cool. I love. Yes. I'm getting more adventurous as my channel has, grown over the years. And not like necessarily just more adventurous, but my taste has changed. Like, I actually really dig this. Whereas before I'd be like, I don't like it. It was kind of like a bit of a whiny bee. A whiny bee. Like, come on, that's so cool. We love. I just like gave you an up the skirt shot. Oh my goodness. Look at how fun. Look at how fun this is. I mean, maybe it's not for you. We don't know. Like, maybe it's not for you. Maybe it's not for you. But I really like the dimension that it adds. The whites are a little bit different. Like this is more of a creamy and this is more of like a bright white. So if there was an edit to this, that's what I would change. But I really do like it. I think I would totally layer this with this outfit. I would even pair it with like a jean skirt, this shirt, to make it like maybe a little more cash. And then that way, you know, layering it might feel, I don't know, a little better. I have no idea. I'm digging this. The CDRs, layered with the lace knee-high stockings, white shoes. I say this is like a bougie fishnet shirt. But yeah, I like this look. I'm loving what I'm wearing. I love the way everything feels. And I hope you also like what you see. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for being part of this channel. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe and comment. I want to hear what you have to say.